Be back now. But they have lots of playground things that you can play, and they also have really good ice cream.
And
Processing.
and chip.
Blue raspberry.
Blueberries.
They have a slide, and they also have like a climbing thing. And also, if those two green slides are taken, they also have 2 yellow slides in the playground thing.
And drive it.
I want to add that to the helicopter because it was really fun.
And
It shouldn't be so all to have dessert before your dinner.
Is that what you're doing right now?
Yep.
I have the same answer. 10 scoops of ice cream. It's been perfect amount. More playground stuff.
Free ice cream on holidays.
What?